up, you guys? Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a super quick and easy get ready with me. I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair and my makeup for a cute little holiday lunch with my friends. So I'm going to start with just some of this Sephora, I think it's coconut oil, and I'm just adding some to my hair. My hair was a bit dry. I've had this wig for a while, so I just needed some oil to kind of refresh it. And then I'm going to use this Irresistible Me Moonstone Automatic Steam Curler. You guys, let's talk about this curler for a little bit. They sent me this curler to review and I was a little skeptical at first, okay? This is supposed to be just an automatic curler. You put your hair in it, it basically grabs up your hair, curls it for you, and lets it go. So the curler has 3 heat settings on it, 380, 410, and 450. I decided to use it at 450. I always use mine on the highest heat setting. I don't know, it's just what I do, but the color was so cute. I actually really loved it. So as you can see, I thought the camera was on, but I did my first piece and that's how the curl came out. Now you can set your curls for 8 seconds, 10 seconds, or 12 seconds, and the longer you have it hold the curl, the tighter your curl will be. I set mine for 10 seconds because I wanted kind of a medium curl there, and I thought it came out really well. Not only that, but it was super quick to curl my entire head. Y'all saw how my head just looked, okay? It was super quick to curl the entire thing. I think it took me about 15 minutes, and I definitely couldn't do it that fast with a flat iron, nor could I do it that fast with a curling iron. So I was just super excited about this little tool. It's my first time using something like this, and I'm definitely going to be using this all the time. Now, as I was using this, I found myself either 1, grabbing too much hair sometimes, or 2, putting the hair in the wrong spot on the curler. So you just have to make sure you're watching exactly where you're placing the hair inside the curler so it can grab up all your hair and curl it. But I was so impressed by this little tool, you guys. My curls stayed for 2 days and it gave me just the perfect, I should say, tightness of curls. Like, I don't really like my curls super tight, and of course if they're super loose they're not going to stay very long, but with these curls here, you'll see when I brush them out, they just looked so amazing at the end. Here we have the finished product. As you can see, I was super impressed with the results, and now I'm just going to finger comb the curls out. One thing, this is with all curls too, you just want to make sure your curls are cool before you start messing with them and combing them out, or else they will drop a lot faster. So I made sure my entire head was cool, and then I went ahead and fluffed them and played with them and styled my hair the way I wanted to, and I'm kind of in love with this tool, you guys. So the nice thing about it, Irresistible Me did give me a 20% off coupon code. I will have the link as well as the code down below in the description box if you guys are interested. Irresistible Me doesn't just sell hair tools, they also sell hair extensions, they sell clip-ins, they sell tape-ins, all types of different hair extensions on their website. So I would definitely go ahead and check them out. And if you're in the market for a new hair curler, this thing is perfect, y'all. Like, seriously, check it out. Now that the hair is all done, we're going to jump into the makeup. I'm just doing my brows using my regular brow routine. I had to move really fast this day because I was running hella late to see my friends, but I just decided to do something cute and simple that really like made my skin pop. So I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz and just again doing my normal brow routine. I do have a brow routine on my channel. If you haven't seen it, I will link that video so you guys can check out how I do my brows, but the routine really hasn't changed much since I filmed that. Something that I've been loving lately is mixing my makeup. So I'm mixing these two primers. This is the Farsali Blur Primer and the Smashbox Photo Finish Iconic, I think it's called Primer Stick or something. I'll make sure all of the products that I used are linked below so you guys can check them out if you'd like. But I've been loving mixing my makeup lately, so if you guys want to see a video of my favorite products that I mix together, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and I can certainly do that for you. Just moving into the foundation, one of my favorite foundations lately has been this NARS Velvet Matte Foundation Stick. Oh my god, I'm in the shade Cadiz in most NARS products and it just suits me so well, the tone, all of it. But this foundation stick, first of all, foundation sticks are super easy and quick to apply. I love applying them versus a liquid foundation. Sometimes it doesn't give me the coverage that I like when I have a foundation stick on, but this foundation stick is actually really good coverage and again, just super easy to apply. It wears very easily, very lightweight on the face. Foundation sticks can also feel heavy to me sometimes, but this one does not, and I really love that about it. And my skin seriously looks so flawless. I always get compliments every time I wear this foundation. It's crazy. I've also been totally obsessed with this baby right here. This is the La Mer setting powder called the La Powder or the Powder, whatever it's called. I did an entire review on it and I'll link that video in this one. But yeah, I've been kind of obsessed with this setting powder. In my review, I said I really didn't see a difference between that and another setting powder that I used, but I don't know. I've just been really loving it lately, really gravitating towards it. So I definitely wanted to make sure to include it in this makeup look, along with this Charlotte Tilbury, I think it's the Airbrush Flawless powder, and it's really gorgeous. It's in the shade number 3. That's the darkest shade that they have, which is super disappointing, but I love, love, love that powder. So if the shade fits you, I would definitely recommend that you try it. So as I said before, I wanted to make this makeup look as simple as possible, so I really focused on the face and went simple with the eyes. I just used that shadow that you saw me show from that Natasha Denona palette, and I swept that all over my crease, and that's all I did with my eyes. Like, that is it. This is my favorite thing to do when I'm running late and I just want something in my crease. I want something on my eyes and I don't want to do a full eyeshadow look. This is what I go for, and it works for me. It looks gorgeous. I look put together, but I didn't take up too much time doing it. And really, you guys, this is the final look. I put my mascara on, some setting spray, and that was really it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you're interested in the Irresistible Me curler or anything else that they have on their website, I do have a 20% discount code that I will leave in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.